Oops. What am I saying?
Bye, and if you ever stop at the junkyard, don't hesitate to call her. I'd love to meet my family.
Well, I hope you find them all right. Stay warm. Stay cheerful. Ready?
Bye.
Well, what happened here? A fine little duckling I see. Gotcha, my beauty. There's no use struggling and honking. I've got a family to feed. I'll make a fine Sunday roast. Now where's my knife? Phew, it's cold out here. Darn, must have left it in my car.
Hello, I see the macrame class is paid off.
You again? How did you find me?
Oh, little birdie told me.
Well, he's not going to get me. I'm going to be eaten by the people.
Tis, what a waste.
If you get me, you don't eat me yourself.
True.
You're not going to. Oh no, he's coming back.
Listen, I have a proposition for you you might find quite tempting.
I don't like the oranges in that part of the plan.
Look, if you come with me, I'll take you back to the farm. You'll be able to see your mother one last time.
Either way, I get eaten, right?
Well, you can't have it both ways. Hurry, make up your mind.
All right, you're on.
And no funny business. Remember, at least this way you get to see your mother.
Well, Colonel Matt Cornflakes, he's escaped.
You sure you know where we're going? Seems like we're going around in circles.
Shut up! It's the snow. It makes everything look the same.
I can't take you off my feet.
Keep going. Let's get loose now.
Fighting cold, the swirling snow. It's hard to catch a breath. And though we hate to say the word, they're facing surge. Facing surge.
Hello? Honey? Are you out there? Is anybody out there?
Honey? Oh no! My baby! No, not like this! Not after all this time! You poor little thing. What was it all for? What was the point of your little life? It can't end like this. It can't. Nor will it, my dear. But he's dead. My baby duckling's dead. And it's all my fault. He wandered away from the nest last spring. I should have gone after him straight away, but I had his brothers and sisters to rear. I couldn't just leave them. But now I'm too late.
Cry, my dear, for the warmth of a mother's tears thaw the stoniest frost.
If only I could believe that.